How does CIS tax work? So, what is CIS tax? If you are a contractor or subcontractor working in the UK construction industry, this is for you. First things first, if you don't know already, CIS stands for Construction Industry Scheme. Now, the Construction Industry Scheme is in place to reduce the potential risk of tax avoidance within the construction industry. Under the rules of the scheme, contractors that use subcontractors to carry out work for them need to register for CIS and deduct money from their subcontractors' pay to then pass on to HMRC. This counts as advance payments towards the subcontractor's tax bill. If you are a contractor, you will need to complete what's called a CIS return, which you will submit each month to let HMRC know about the subcontractors you work with and the amount you've deducted from their pay. You will then pay HMRC by the 22nd of every month, or the 19th if you pay by post. But how do you know how much you need to deduct from each subcontractor? Well, it largely depends on one thing: whether or not the subcontractor is registered for CIS. If they aren't, or HMRC can't verify them, then the rate is 30%. But for subcontractors who are registered, it's 20%. But some subcontractors may also have what's called gross payment status. This means they will handle their own tax and national insurance when they complete their self-assessment, without any contractor deductions, so the rate is 0%. When you make deductions from a subcontractor's pay, you need to provide them with a CIS statement, essentially just giving them all the details for their own tax return. It's actually considered good practice to issue a statement regardless of whether you make deductions or not, as this way everything is transparent. You can submit your CIS return either directly through HMRC's website or by using CIS software. CIS covers most construction work, as well as things like alterations, repairs and decorating to installing systems for heating, lighting, power, water and ventilation. But there are exceptions, like carpet fitting or delivering materials. If you are ever unsure, ask your accountant about what is and isn't included within the CIS scheme. And finally, it's worth noting that it's possible to be both a contractor and a subcontractor. For example, if you get hired by a contractor and then realise you need to hire a subcontractor of your own. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Give us a like, and if you have any questions, well, leave a comment.